Welcome back to the Retro Car Guy 530 YouTube channel. This video contains sample footage from the brand new 70mm 4K Omni dash camera. This footage will be captured at 60 frames per second from the front camera, which means I'll be running it in a single channel configuration. When you add the rear camera to the configuration, it reduces it to 30 frames per second and enables HDR. So this footage is at 60 frames per second with HDR disabled. I will be comparing it with a VIOFO A329 two-channel configuration dash camera, also capturing front camera video at 60 frames per second, also with HDR disabled. I've included several plate capture attempts throughout this video, and the daytime ones are far better because of the larger amount of ambient light, and the best frame is selected for the video sample that has been selected for the plate capture attempt. You will see a speaker icon in the video showing which particular dash camera is providing the audio track in that particular section of the video. The music that is playing is music that I played through my vehicle's stereo, which is music I have licensed through a subscription service which allows me to include it in this YouTube video. 70mm did provide the 4K Omni dash camera free of charge to me to use in the review process for this dash camera. If you have a question or comment, make sure you leave it down in the comment section. And if you would like to check out other video samples, make sure you check out the video description section, where I'll have a link to a playlist with those additional videos. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for watching.
Mistakes that everyone is making that I can't change. I'm stuck in reverse like an old man.